little sunshine. Hi. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Wow, I am really dark. Look at this transformation we have.
We are so I know, and I look like a whole new woman.
I know. Okay, so good morning. We are deciding to do something fun today. We are taking Beckham to the Children's Museum. But first we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I'm starving. It is 12:30, so we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and then we're gonna go to the Children's Museum. I'll vlog it a little bit and then we might go to the movies tonight, huh?
Oh yeah.
Sean?
Yeah.
I just need to watch Fantastic Beast or whatever that is. Yeah, so we might go see the second Fantastic Beast, but I haven't seen the first one, so I need to get educated and watch the first one before I can go tonight. I also really am dark. But now it feels like my ovaries are like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like I feel like I have a cramp in my stomach now. But it's upset. Yeah. We made it to the Children's Museum. I'm gonna throw up first. Wait,
So close, but
there you go. Should I yak?
she has to throw up. I don't know why. She was fine like 15 minutes
The
ago.
Chick-fil-A, like the buffalo sauce with my medicine and with vanilla iced coffee, I think it really was not a good mixture. Because when I talk, it feels like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's in there.
What?
Like the throw up is in the stomach. Like when I'm talking, it's like, ooh, it might come up. We made it to the Children's Museum. Come on, Becky. Woo! Oh. Got this big cell phone guy over here. What is happening? Oh. He's literally screaming. Are you the mailman? Say beep beep. Oh. You want to go? Oh my god. There's literally no one here.
At all.
It was so crowded last time we came. Like we couldn't even step foot anywhere. Oh. Beckham.
In there next.
Oh, come in here. Ooh. I want to put this crab on Beckham and see how he feels about it. Beckham, come here. Is he gonna want this? Oh, he just put all those baskets. He only wants to talk on the phone. Beckham, look at this crab. Oh, look at it.
And some peanuts.
Ooh. Oh, he's eating it. Yummy. Yummy. That's so yum.
Here's a cracker. I know you're gonna eat that.
Oh, yummy. Welcome to Keatonmilburnxo. It's right here, and it's having some thunderstorms along with San Antonio.
Look at the camera, not yourself.
Here in Dallas, we're having some more thunderstorms. My map's kind of going way up here. We'll just ignore that. We have San Antonio and Keatonmilburnxo right here. This beautiful play place with these bags for my shoes. I look like I don't even know what this is. What are you doing? Having a great time?
Go back and look. You just fell. Oh, he doesn't know how to walk on this.
He's literally. No.
Just go.
He's not looking though. I'm not gonna crawl all the way. I'm not gonna slither through this hole.
I want to see you in here. Who's in there?
Okay guys, this is my fit. I'm wearing this Champion set. I got this from Urban like last year for Christmas, and then I'm wearing these Adidas, and I am going to the movies. We just finished Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, so now we're gonna go see the sequel. I'm really tanned, but yeah, I'm just giving you a little update. We're in the movies. No one else is in here.
You gotta say I love you back.
Dad, are you serious?
I wanna hear it.
Look at this place.
Dad, I love you.
You been having fun here?
2 glasses on.
Yeah. Both pair.
Yeah, we've been watching this movie and playing.
The Star?
The Star. Well, our movie was really good.
Was it really?
It was so good. Like, I loved it. It was so good. It was Sean's second time seeing it, but he said he liked it better this time. But it was really good. So if you guys watch Harry Potter or watch any that I highly suggest. I really liked it. Thank you for your input. Alrighty guys, I hope you all enjoyed the vlog today. I am loving Vlogmas. I know it's not that interesting, but I will be traveling a bunch later in the month. So don't forget to subscribe so you guys can see all of that, and leave some comments down below of what you guys like about the vlogs, what you guys want to see. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.